Hello and welcome guys. Hope you are doing great. In this video we'll learn how to update a string of any language file. So let's begin with that. So for this first you need to have the access of site administration. So here I am already logged in with admin and click on site administration. Now you see here the search option. Type here the language. Search for the language. Then scroll down a bit. Search on this page customization. So here you will find language customization. So click on it, and after clicking on this you will find the English language. So if you have multiple language running with your LMS, you will see here the list of all the languages that is available. But for me right now only I have installed English language. So click on this again. Now click on this open language pack for editing. It will take some time in loading, and let me open again the same thing in a different page, in a different link. So this language customization of any language will take time to load, because it will load all the files that is available under that particular language selected. For example, I have selected English, so it will load everything that is available under English language. So if you talk about the code here, it will come here. So lang, if you come to your project directory, the lang, and this you see only en. So all these files mentioned here can be edited. Okay, so by default you will find the Moodle. So most of the thing, a general thing comes from here, Moodle. So I will try updating this. Okay, so let me here come to my courses. You see here this is already loaded, so click on continue, and on the different tab I have opened this my course. So I want to edit this. So under more, this is a course, as you can see, I want to edit this course reuse as a different name. Okay, I want to put something else in place of course reuse. Got it? So let me copy this one, and only string containing. So if you search for this, okay, you'll find everything that contains this. So either you can select all at the same point of time, or if you know this from where, from which file it is coming, you can also do that. Okay, so if you are not selecting anything, that means it is a regular one. So try clicking on this show strings. So I have clicked on it, so it doesn't give me the result as I was expecting. So you also have to know from where that string appear, then it will be easy for you to customize. So let me try on selecting all the files and click on it. So if you don't know the file exact file name, you will have to select all the files, okay, and click on show string. So as you can see here, this course you reuse, that is a part of core, and currently you can see this language. And if you want to change with any different name, you can type your new name here, new string value here. Okay, for example, I want to change this course with a program. Okay, Yeah, let's make it assessment reuse. I want to make that change. Okay, so let me then you have to click on apply changes and continue editing. That means the one string I have changed, and I am still waiting for the some other stuff to change. So this is temporarily save, but if you want the final save, you will have to click on this, click on save changes to local language pack. So here, where this will be saved, this will be saved inside your Moodle data langful directory. Okay, but you don't have to bother that, because you are doing from the admin panel. So click on save changes to the language pack. So click on it, and here you see there are one modified string. Do you wish to save these changes at your local pack? So it will ask you to confirm again. Yes, click on continue. If you are agree, then click on continue. Now you see your changes is done. So here you see that was the course reuse. Refresh this page, and now you see your course reuse has been changed with assessment reuse. Okay, the similar way you can change any string. For example, you see, let me try again with one more string. I see here the content bank. Okay, and I want to change this again, this step. Come to language, then open language pack for editing. So I want to change this content bank to a different string that is called content banks. I will add s after this bank. Okay, so you see here it is content bank, and after you can see it will give you the modified one. So I am going to search this and click. You see here it is already selected all the files. Click again on show strings. Okay, so it will display you all the string and their standard text that is that contain this string. Okay, so I have to change only where this only this string is coming. Okay, content bank. So this one is a right one, I guess. Scroll down and you can also double check if there is one more. So here you can also see repository content bank. Okay, you can also see here the content bank that is a part of core. So try changing this content bank to banks. Clear? And come down here and apply changes and continue editing. If you want to edit more string, you can also do this here. Okay, now click on save changes to the language pack. Click on continue. Again it will take some time because it create a file if not created, or if create a string. So here you can see content banks, bank with s in the last. So you can see here s as a suffix. So same way you can edit your or replace your any string with a name string. So try this at your end, and please feel free to ask any question you see, any challenges. So the video related Moodle, you can subscribe my channel for all the future updates. Thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.